Serhildana Nipalê ji aliyê nû'gihanekî Şazde salî li 6 demjimêranm de qewimî. Serhildana Nipalê dikare nasnavê yek ji Eceptirin serhildanên cîhanê li xwe bigre. Li 6 demjimêran de bîreberatiya vî nû'gihanê Şazde salî yê bi navê Awîşk Road li xwenîşandana li hember filteringê de qewimî. Li dema ku bi sedema filteringê de ev nêçon ku filteran bikirinan hashtagan li bîdin û şanoyan li dar bikin, belkû cîhanê ser şekaman û tevî ku 19 hevalên wan hatine kuştin û sedan hevalên wan jî birîndar bûn. Li pey ber pirsan ketin, hinek jî wan giritin û kutaniyên mayî jî tirsa çanê xwe revîn û jî Nipalê derketin. Wan cîwanên xwedî îrade bi bawkirî bi xwe, welatê xwe jî gendelî û bêdadî û rojreşiyê rizgar kirin ku bikarin bi kirameta mirovî li vir bi bektever bîcin û bo pariyek nanan paşerok asî, nebin koçber û sergerdanê welatên din nebin.
Today I stand here with the dream of building a new Nepal, with a fire of hope and passion burning within me. But my heart is heavy because this dream seems to be slipping away. Rise and shines, futures of this upcoming imperial empire. I, Avishkaraut, the head boy of this everlasting imperial institute, Holy Bell English Secondary School, welcomes you with open arms to our 24th annual program. I put myself before you this moment to shed light within your consciousness by piercing the dark nimbus that circles above you. I am present here today to immortalize a monumental change in the course of history. Nepal, our mother, this country gave us birth, nurtured us. But what did it ask in return? Just our honesty, our hard work, our contribution. But what are we doing? We are bounded by the chains of unemployment, fleeing abroad in search of opportunities. We are trapped by the selfish games of political parties. Corruption has woven a web that is extinguishing the light of our futures. Youth, rise! We are the torch bearers of change. If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not build this nation, who will? We are the fire that will burn away the darkness. We are the storm that will sweep away injustice and bring prosperity. Our ancestors shed their blood to give us this nation. We cannot sell it. We cannot lose it. We are the fire. We will burn every despair away. Now we must decide. Will we drown in the darkness of despair or rise as the sun of hope? Will we change the fate of this nation or will we let it remain in shackles? King Birendra once said, even if I die, shall my country live on? All the youths, carry these words in your heart and engrave a monument of change in the course of history. Nepal is ours and its future is in our hands. Jai Yuva! Jai Nepal!